I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both ends ready. Install the Spacedesk driver on your Windows PC and reboot so services start cleanly. On the phone, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging because Spacedesk will route display data over ADB. This provides a stable tunnel. Connect with a high-quality USB cable and check Device Manager to make sure the device is recognized. Once done, you will be ready to forward the connection. Keep the phone unlocked and the PC on the local account you intend to use. You now create the actual tunnel. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run a DB devices to confirm the phone is visible. That ensures the USB link is working. Next, forward the display port by running a DB forward TCP, 5900 TCP, 5900, so Spacedesk traffic routes through USB instead of Wi-Fi. This reduces latency and bypasses network restrictions. Then start the Spacedesk server on the PC and confirm which local port it advertises. Make sure the server is running before proceeding to the mobile app. You finish by opening Spacedesk Viewer on the phone and manually connecting to 127.0.0.1 using port 5900. This targets the forwarded USB tunnel. Once connected, adjust resolution and image quality so performance matches your needs, lower resolution for responsiveness, higher for clarity. If the connection fails, make sure USB debugging remains active, then rerun a DB forward. Restart the Spacedesk server and reconnect. Often the forward or server restart resolves the most common USB tunnel issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.